Mintdahlia Toys. Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to do another Descendants tutorial. I did one tutorial before. You can check the tutorial here, just click on the notification. But today we are not doing the bedroom, we are going to do the complete dollhouse. It's going to be super fun to make and you don't want to miss this tutorial. This is the dollhouse that we are doing today. We are changing everything, all the colors and the accessories. We want something more, Descendants like. Today's video is going to be super fun to make, and if you want to buy this dollhouse, I'm gonna leave the link of the website that I use for these dollhouses down below in the comment section and also in the description box. If you have a specific page or website that you use for these dollhouses, let me know in the comments. I love you a lot and let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to have a really clean and organized desk. We are going to start by working with the floor and the walls first. So it's time to start with the floor. This is the base for the floor. And this is the template that we are supposed to use as a floor. This part is for the living room and part of the kitchen. This is for the stairs, and this is going to be the bathroom. If we want to change the color of the floor, the only thing we need to do is to cut the piece that we want to change and just change the color with other paper. These are the pieces that we are going to use today. I really love the colors for mauve. First, we are going to cut the piece that we need. And when we have the template cut, we are just going to cut the piece or the paper. We are gonna do the same thing over again with the bathroom wall and also with the kitchen wall. This one that we have here. We just need to look for the template that we are gonna use. Everything comes in the box. We cut the pieces that we need and replace the template with the new color. well guys, this is the final result. I really love how it turned out. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos. I love you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and you are awesome. I will see you soon. Bye bye.